We all know the future is electric. But what does that mean for design? Nothing less than a new approach to design thinking. Audi design is turning into Audi e-design. The center of the car is moving from the engine to the battery, a lower center of gravity, visually stressed. The front grille is now inverted as the car needs less cooling. The powertrain is gone, so the interior space is getting bigger. Audi e-design means freedom to shape the future and to create the cars of tomorrow.
This is the Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron concept. It's a Q, it's a Sportback. It's an e-tron. From 100 meters away you can clearly see it's an electric Audi. The inverted face. An electric car needs less air. So we were able to close our famous single frame. We covered it and brightened it up and put it into a black mask. It's a Q model. We have big wheels, short overhangs and strong quattro muscles on top of all four wheels. The slim cabin sitting on the wide shoulders, this Sportback roofline and the position of the spoiler. This is not just looking very, very sporty, it helps to reduce the drag coefficient. The interior fits perfectly to the sporty exterior. Bold 3D applications, augmented head-up display. It's heavily driver-oriented. And so this car combines in a perfect way nice aesthetics with efficiency. I'm really looking forward to see this car on the road.
The mastermind behind the brand design, Audi head designer Mark Lichte. We are going to meet him in the most confidential area of the Audi Design Center. Behind this door, this is where Audi keeps its most valuable secrets. Probably less than 50 people in the world have access to the area, and today, you are one of them. Let's go. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Tyron.
It's nice to meet you here. Thank you very much for sharing some of your time so shortly before the big world premiere today. I want to know something from you. How is Audi design turning into Audi e-design?
You know, it's a complete different approach. In the past, the combustion engine has been the heart of the car. On an e-tron, the battery pack is the heart of the car, which is located in the floor. And this means you need a long wheelbase, it's changing the proportion of the car, the interior space is getting bigger. And what's very important is that you know this very well-known single frame. And it's not a radiator anymore in an e-tron, it's because you don't need that much cooling. That's why we came up with a clever idea to invert the single frame by color. So it's a bright paint and surface, a sensor rack, integrated in dark surrounding. And from far away you can recognize immediately that's an e-tron.
It sounds to me like e-design allows for a lot of creative freedom.
Of course, and we took this chance and this flexibility, this freedom when we designed the Q4 Sportback e-tron concept, and you will see this in a few seconds.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
I'm sure that a lot of you guys have the same burning question than me. Will this beauty only remain a show car? Now let's ask the CEO of Audi himself, Mr. Markus Duesmann. Hi Markus, and thank you for joining us at this world premiere today. I want to know from you, will the Q4 Sportback e-tron concept make it into series production?
I also really like it, and I'm convinced so will our customers. It will go into production in less than a year, and so 2021 will be a very exciting year for the e-tron models. The Q4 SUV and the Sportback will be delivered to our first customers in summer 2021.
That's amazing news. I'm sure that a lot of Audi fans will be very excited. Now, what role does the Q4 e-tron play in the electrification strategy of Audi?
This car is a cornerstone of our electrification strategy. Sustainability remains non-negotiable for us, and we are certainly sticking to our CO2 targets. Therefore, we want to inspire more people to choose electric cars. The Q4 e-tron and the Q4 Sportback e-tron are important steps in this direction. They will be our first premium electric volume SUV and a gateway into the progressive premium segment. In addition, they are based on the VW Group's MEB platform. This means we are using the group's full power and entire technical experience for a new electric Audi.
Thank you, Markus, for these insights. This was the latest launch of an Audi electric model, a car that has the best of three worlds: Q family, Sportback and e-tron. I'm already looking forward to the next Audi world premiere. That's it from me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.